I mean, first put on the bird and then
shit.
Oh shit.
Bruh. What is they doing? That's what it's doing. Look, bruh, it just got enough. Hey, you ready to put the bucket over it? Let's go. Oh shit. It looked like it's just about to tackle us, bro.
Oh, it's drinking.
Drinking what, bro? I mean, you could have asked, like, bro, you ready to put this bucket over?
Oh no, I want a lighter bucket so I can just like throw it over it.
What do
bigger?
you mean?
Like one of them tubs.
Bro, but it's gonna fly. Nigga, we're too late. This nigga, it was a cockroach right by it. Bro, look. Oh shit. Oh,
Oh my god, bro. I don't think bro, who shoots them?
Who shoots what?
Yeah.
My mom's?
Oh, man, don't matter.
I mean, you could. Oh shit. I don't think she was here. Oh shit. Bro, you got me over here at this corner, bro. You throwing shoes at it and shit.
Where'd it go?
Bro, it's up there. Oh shit.
God, it's the roof. I tried to hit that.
It's in the roof, nigga. It's on the. Okay, well. You gonna leave me? You gonna leave me? Fuck this. Hey! You gonna lock the door?